हाँ जी।
Important information about Nestle company management, fraud, cheating, deceit, fraud, theft, and delaying court decision. I, Umesh Chandra Singh, son of Kapil Dev Singh, ex-safety officer, Nestle India Limited, Samalka factory, under Factory Act and Punjab Factory Rules 1952. I was appointed as engineering superintendent in Nestle India Limited Samalka factory in 1997 and given employee code 03503243. I was promoted on the post of senior superintendent engineering in 1st January 2002. Nestle management again promoted me to the post of safety officer on 1st January 2005 and called its normal promotion, but Nestle management prepared a separate appointment letter of safety officer and submitted it to Labour Commissioner Office, Haryana, Chandigarh. My signature was taken on the last page of the letter and I was not given any information about this. Nestle management never followed the rules of Factories Act 1948 and Punjab Factory Rules 1952 in my case. Nor did they give salary and grade of senior executive accordingly. Crossing all limit of frauds, Nestle management appointed a safety manager above me but kept my name as safety head on in the office of Labour Commissioner, Haryana, Chandigarh. When I came to know about the fraud of management in detail in the year 2014, then I informed Nestle India head office Gurugram and Nestle headquarters Switzerland through mail. I was threatened with dismissal by Nestle management. After threats from Nestle management, I filed a case in the Civil Court of Samalkha in 2014 and won the case in 2019. Nestle management not given any increment from 2014 to till now. Next 10 year 2024 till 2024 till retirement because move to court right is crime in the eye of management, Nestle management. Nestle management deposited and withdrew only 24,928 rupees in my bank account, and after 1 month that's money to be cutted from my salary, and after some time redeposited that money in my account and said that court decision have been implemented. Then After that, I again went the court to implement the decision. Then the Samalka court directed to implement the correct account and the decision of the right way. The Samalka Civil Court asked the Nestle management to implement the decision in the right way and come to the Samalka Court with the account in 2022 October. After that, Nestle company revision appeal filed in the same court Samalka, but that appeal had been dismissed in the month of January 2023. The Nestle Samalka factory and Gurugram head office management together hired expensive lawyers and took advantage of flexibility of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh, and got the proceedings of the Samalka court stayed from 20th January 2023, and now they are only postponing the case in the High Court. Nestle company, which call itself the world's largest and most honest group in the food sector, but the Nestle group has only cheated, deceived, cheated and betrayed me. The Nestle group has not only cheated me but has also lied, deceived and the honorable court and is still doing so. Therefore, I am requested to all of you that please support for the correct and truth of human being. Thank you.